Space. It's vast and full of mysteries. We've always looked up wondering what's out there. Among those wonders is the idea of a Dyson sphere. The Dyson sphere is a mind-blowing concept. Imagine a giant sphere built around a star. Its purpose? To capture the star's energy. This idea comes from physicist Freeman Dyson. He imagined advanced civilizations building these spheres to meet their energy needs. A Dyson sphere is a science fiction staple. It symbolizes the power of advanced technology. But could it actually exist? Building a Dyson sphere is a challenge of epic proportions. This concept, first proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson, involves creating a massive structure that could encompass a star, capturing a significant portion of its power output. Imagine a colossal array of solar panels or habitats orbiting the sun, providing virtually limitless energy. The scale of such an endeavor is almost beyond comprehension. It would require technology far beyond anything we have today. Our current advancements in space travel and engineering are just the tip of the iceberg compared to what would be needed. We would need breakthroughs in materials science, robotics, and energy storage, among other fields. First, we need materials. Lots of them. The amount of raw material required to build a Dyson sphere is staggering. We would need to mine entire planets or asteroids to gather enough resources. This would involve large-scale space mining operations, something humanity has only just begun to explore. We'd need to dismantle entire planets or asteroids. Then there's the construction. The logistics of assembling such a massive structure in space are mind-boggling. We would need to develop new methods of construction that can operate in the vacuum of space, far from any human support. Assembling a structure this massive in space is a monumental task. It would require a fleet of spacecraft and a workforce of robots, all working in perfect harmony. The coordination and precision needed for such an operation are beyond our current capabilities. We'd need self-replicating robots and advanced automation. These robots would need to be capable of building more of themselves, as well as the components of the Dyson sphere. This level of automation is still in the realm of science fiction, but it is a necessary step for such a project. And let's not forget the energy. The energy requirements for building a Dyson sphere are immense. We would need to harness and store vast amounts of energy to power the construction process. Building a Dyson sphere would require an immense amount of power. This power would need to come from a variety of sources, including solar, nuclear, and possibly even fusion energy. The challenge of generating and managing this power is another major hurdle. It's a paradox, needing energy on a scale that the sphere itself is supposed to provide. This creates a chicken and egg problem. We need the Dyson sphere to generate the energy required to build it. Solving this paradox would require innovative thinking and new technologies. While theoretically possible, building a Dyson sphere is a challenge for a civilization far more advanced than ours. It represents the pinnacle of engineering and technological achievement, a testament to what a highly advanced society could accomplish. For now, it remains a fascinating concept, a glimpse into a future that may one day be within our reach. Imagine Earth inside a Dyson sphere, our sun enclosed within a giant shell. How would this impact our planet? The most obvious change would be the sky. Instead of a clear blue sky, we'd see the inner surface of the Dyson sphere. The amount of sunlight we receive would be controlled. We could have perpetual daytime or create artificial night and day cycles. The temperature on Earth would also be regulated. No more worrying about global warming or climate change. Living inside a Dyson sphere would fundamentally change our relationship with the sun. The primary purpose of a Dyson sphere is energy collection. Capturing even a fraction of the sun's output would provide unimaginable power. This energy could fuel our cities, industries, and transportation systems. We could power our entire civilization with clean, renewable energy. Space exploration would become easier. We could use the Dyson sphere's energy to propel spacecraft to distant stars. The possibilities are endless. Unlimited energy would usher in a new era of technological and scientific advancement. Section 5. A new day, a new sky. Imagine waking up inside a Dyson sphere. The sky is no longer blue, but a shimmering expanse reflecting the sun's light. The climate is controlled, providing comfortable temperatures year-round. Food is abundant, grown in climate-controlled environments. Energy is plentiful. Transportation is fast and efficient, powered by the sun's captured energy. Life is transformed. But some things never change. Human nature, with its dreams and conflicts, remains the same. Life inside a Dyson sphere would be a blend of the familiar and the extraordinary. Section 6. The Challenge of Giants. Building a Dyson sphere comes with immense challenges. Construction and maintenance are just the beginning. Maintaining the structural integrity of such a massive object would be an ongoing challenge. We'd need advanced materials and constant monitoring. Then, there's the issue of space debris. Impacts from asteroids and comets could damage the sphere, requiring constant vigilance and repair. And what about the ecological impact on Earth? Blocking out the sun's light could have unforeseen consequences for our planet's delicate balance. Building a Dyson sphere is one thing, but maintaining it is a whole other challenge. Section 7. Life under a new sun. Life inside a Dyson sphere would be different. Imagine a world where the sun is no longer a distant star, but an artificial construct enveloping our entire existence. The very fabric of our daily lives would be woven with threads of advanced technology and innovation. Our connection to the natural world, to the stars and the night sky, would be altered. The familiar constellations that have guided humanity for millennia would be replaced by a new, artificial sky. Stargazing would take on a different meaning, as we would be looking at a carefully crafted illusion rather than the vast, infinite universe. We might experience a sense of isolation, enclosed within this artificial world. The vastness of space, which once inspired awe and wonder, would be replaced by the confines of our engineered environment. This could lead to feelings of claustrophobia and a longing for the natural world we left behind. Our perception of time and seasons would be disrupted. The natural rhythms of sunrise and sunset, the changing of the seasons, would be controlled by technology. We would have to adapt to a new way of experiencing time, one that is dictated by the needs of our artificial habitat rather than the Earth's natural cycles. But humans are adaptable creatures. Throughout history, we have shown an incredible ability to adjust to new environments and challenges. In this new world, we would find ways to thrive, using our ingenuity and resilience to create a fulfilling life. We would find new ways to connect with nature, to find meaning and purpose. Even within the confines of a Dyson sphere, we would create green spaces, parks, and gardens to maintain our connection to the natural world. These spaces would become sanctuaries, offering a sense of peace and normalcy in an otherwise artificial environment. Our art, literature, and music would reflect this new reality, exploring the wonders and challenges of life inside a Dyson sphere. Artists would find inspiration in the unique aspects of our engineered world, creating works that capture the beauty and complexity of our new existence. Musicians and writers would explore themes of adaptation, resilience, and the human spirit. Humanity would adapt, evolve, and thrive, even within this extraordinary environment. Our ability to innovate and find joy in the face of change would ensure that life under a new sun is not just about survival, but about flourishing in ways we never imagined possible. Section 8. A galactic conversation. The existence of a Dyson sphere would be a beacon to the cosmos. It would announce our presence to any other intelligent life out there. Imagine the possibilities. Contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, sharing knowledge and technology. A galactic conversation, millennia in the making. But it could also make us a target. Other civilizations might see us as a threat or a resource, leading to conflict. The discovery of a Dyson sphere could be the start of something amazing, or it could be the beginning of the end. Section 9. A future among the stars. The Dyson sphere represents the ultimate ambition of a spacefaring civilization. Envisioned by the physicist Freeman Dyson, this colossal structure would encompass a star, capturing its energy output to fuel the needs of an advanced society. Imagine a world where energy is no longer a limitation, where the power of an entire star is harnessed to drive technological advancements and sustain human life on an unprecedented scale. It's a symbol of our potential to reach for the stars. The very concept of a Dyson sphere challenges us to think beyond our current capabilities and to envision a future where humanity is not confined to Earth, but is a thriving spacefaring civilization. It represents the pinnacle of human ingenuity and ambition. While it remains a distant dream, the very idea of it pushes the boundaries of our imagination. It inspires scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike to explore new frontiers and to develop the technologies that will one day make such a structure possible. The journey towards building a Dyson sphere is as important as the destination itself, driving innovation and discovery in countless fields. It forces us to think big, to dream of a future beyond Earth. The pursuit of such grand ideas encourages collaboration and unites humanity in a common goal. It reminds us that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, a species with the potential to explore and inhabit the cosmos. Perhaps one day, far in the future, humanity will achieve this feat. The construction of a Dyson sphere would mark a new era in human history, one where we have truly become masters of our own destiny. It would signify our transition from a planetary species to an interstellar one, capable of harnessing the energy of stars to fuel our continued growth and exploration. We will build a Dyson sphere, harnessing the power of a star and securing our place among the stars. This monumental achievement would not only provide us with virtually limitless energy, but also open up new possibilities for space travel, colonization, and the expansion of human civilization across the galaxy. Until then, it remains a testament to our boundless curiosity and our endless quest to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries. The dream of a Dyson sphere continues to inspire and challenge us, driving humanity to reach for the stars and to strive for a future where we are no longer bound by the limitations of our home planet. It is a vision that fuels our imagination and propels us forward into the unknown, ever eager to discover what lies beyond the horizon.